Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be reviewing my brand new Insignia F20 LED TV. So let's talk stats on the TV. So the TV is a 32-inch LED TV and it's a direct LED backlight. So it's 720p in terms of clarity and the item weighs around a good 15 pounds, I would say. So it's a full screen mirroring and it has a built-in DTS surround speaker system. It has an Alexa voice controlled remote as well, which is pretty cool because you can integrate all of your Alexa stuff, all of your smart lights, all of your other smart home features, and just control it using this Alexa voice remote, which is really cool. And the TV also gets a built-in Fire TV interface. So I have personally used both the Roku and the Fire TV interfaces, and I actually like the Fire TV interface because it's much more intuitive and easy to use. So in terms of competition, we have the 1080p version of the same TV, and that is probably around $30 to $40 more expensive than this. And the only difference is that's 1080p, whereas this is 720p. And moving on, we also have a 55-inch 4K UHD TV from Insignia again. That's also a Fire TV with an Alexa voice remote. And major differences between this and that TV is that this TV only supports Wi-Fi in terms of connectivity, whereas that supports Ethernet, Bluetooth, USB, and so on. And that is, of course, a 4K TV. So it's also significantly more expensive than this TV. That is around $250, whereas this all-inclusive, that is taxes inclusive, was below $100. So this is a great deal. In terms of comparing it to a different brand, we have our Amazon's own Fire TV brand. So a 40-inch Fire TV would be somewhere around $190, and that's 1080p as 40 inches. But overall, in my personal opinion, this promises the most clarity for the best value. Alrighty guys, so that brings me to my favorite part of the video, which is unboxing. So this is the box that I got from Amazon when I picked it up from Best Buy. And as you can see, or rather as I can see, this weighs around a good 15 pounds. So not too heavy, definitely liftable by one person. And in terms of packaging, it's a standard cardboard box. They got all your TV features and your compatible applications in the front. They have some handling instructions on the top. And behind, they actually have more information about the TV. So this is what they have in the back. There are a couple of ports. So this TV has 3 HDMI ports in total. Yep, so let's get unboxing. So 2 quick slices and we have cut through the tape. Let's hopefully get this out. Alright, so now that that's done, box this, and this is what we have inside. So there's an instruction panel that says, your TV is fragile, read this first. Carefully remove packaging material and use bag handles to remove TV. Do not touch the screen. This is what it says. We'll leave it on down here. So as per the instructions, I was supposed to, right, so we see our TV legs right here. And these guys, they're made of plastic. We have a few screws attached here that we'll probably use to screw on the TV, but this is how it looks. We also have additional instructions that's kept here. And we have our Alexa Fire TV remote. So I want to talk to you guys about this because this is the new design of the Alexa Fire TV remote. And in my opinion, this is amazing. Because it's, as usual, it's super sleek like your Alexa TV, but we have all these extra buttons. So we have the volume button, we have the mute button rather, we have the settings, and we have your previous app button, and we have your Ask Alexa button. And overall, this just feels like really intuitive, and it says Insignia down here, because it's an Insignia TV. And we have our Netflix and your Prime Video shortcut buttons right here. We also have Peacock and DirecTV buttons for people who use those. let's keep going.
So, at this time I unboxed the TV and attached the two legs that were provided along with the kit.
So this is the user manual. You get a cable with this, with which you connect the TV. It's really short, so I think you'll need an extension box of some kind to connect this to a power source. And you have two batteries, I think, to put in your new Alexa remote. Apart from that, standard TV, quick setup guide. Not really gonna go through this.
So, I have plugged in the cable right now and let's turn on the TV. First thing that happens is that we have the option to choose our language and our region, and then we have to connect your Wi-Fi for the rest of the setup. So then download some software, you gotta sign into your Amazon Prime account and you're all set. In terms of picture quality, for a 720p TV, it's really good, and as you can see there's no lagging while playing high definition content as well. My overall verdict is that it's definitely worth the money, especially given the picture quality, and the audio quality is pretty good as well when I tested it. So this is a TV for me, and if anyone else is looking at a TV below $100 that can do it all, this comes pretty darn close.
Alright you guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you like the TV because I sure do. And I'll keep you posted on how usage on the TV turns out. But in the meantime, if you like this video, please like the video and share it. And please drop comments. Is there any other TV you want me to review? Or if there's anything else about this TV that you feel I should know, please do let me know. So until then, see ya, ciao.